Tomorrow, DA George Gascon will file a petition with the court, which will lead to a resentencing hearing. CBS 8's David Goffin talked to a legal expert who says the ultimate decision could lie with the parole board.
Under the law, resentencing is appropriate, and I am going to recommend that to a court tomorrow.
It's the first step to freedom for Lyle and Eric Menendez, who were sentenced to life without parole for the 1989 shotgun murders of their parents inside their Beverly Hills home. Los Angeles District Attorney George Gascon made the announcement.
Under the law, since they were under 26 years of age at the time that these crimes occurred, they will be eligible for parole immediately.
The brothers were ages 18 and 21 when they committed the crimes. In recent years, new evidence has come to light indicating the boys were molested by their father, including a letter written by Eric 8 months before the murders, alluding to sexual abuse.
There is no excuse for murder, and I will never imply that what we're doing here is to excuse that behavior, because even if you get abused, the right path is to call the police, seek help.
Recent documentaries and social media campaigns brought attention to the sexual abuse and the push for resentencing.
I think that often, for cultural reasons, we don't believe victims of sexual assault, whether they're women, whether they're men.
The Menendez case actually has a couple connections to San Diego. The brothers purchased their shotguns at a sporting goods store on Convoy Street, and they're currently serving their prison time at Donovan State Prison in Otay Mesa.
The DA has done something that is wise.
Attorney Gene Iredale was not involved in the case, but he says the decision to let the brothers seek parole after nearly 35 years in prison has merit.
The parole board is generally very sensitive to the statements and the wishes of the family. And in this case, the vast majority of the family are supportive of letting them be released on parole.
David Goffin, CBS 8.
Thank you, David. A judge will still have to agree to resentencing the brothers. The Los Angeles DA's office says a hearing on that could be set within 30 to 40 days.